everybody, and welcome to part 7 of our Turing Tumble series. So, in this video, I'll how to puzzle number 7. So, we have our objective is to create a path for the blue balls to reach the output with only 6 ramps. And our required output is, of course, all of the blue balls. And we have 6 available pieces, which are 6 ramps. So I will leave the simulator link down in the description below so you can solve it. So now, pause this video and try to solve it. Okay? So, as you know, we only have 6 ramps, and we need to create a successful path over here, down to the blue lever, without jumping. So we will try to use as much crossover as possible, but then that doesn't mean we have to stick to crossovers. So, as you might have noticed, we have 2 crossovers here. So we can use one of those and you put it here. In this we'll use one crossover. Now we are using 2 crossovers. Gonna go here, and then we put one here. And we have 2 more ramps left, which we put here, which uses 2 crossovers at the same time. And then we put a ramp here, causing the balls to flow all the way down to here, and then the ramp goes down with the blue balls. So let's try to test this out. So, as you see here, we have all of the blue balls, and only the blue balls at the end. So we have all of the blue balls, and only the blue balls at the end. I hope you enjoyed watching, and see you next time. Bye!